Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will expand a submenu showing you extension-related options. Extensions are powerful tools that add extra functionality to your browser, allowing you to customize your browsing experience with features that aren't built into Chrome by default. In the Extensions submenu, you'll see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace where you can browse and download thousands of extensions safely. The Web Store is the only trusted source for Chrome extensions, ensuring that everything you install has been reviewed for security. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Free Download Manager. This extension helps you manage your downloads more efficiently, giving you better control over download speeds, the ability to pause and resume downloads, and organize your downloaded files more effectively than Chrome's default download manager. After entering your search, you'll see the Free Download Manager extension appear in the search results. Click on it to open the extension's detail page. Here you can read more about what the extension does and see reviews from other users. But for now, look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. This pop-up shows you what permissions the extension needs to function properly. Review these briefly, then click Add Extension to confirm. This step is important because it allows the extension to integrate with your browser and perform its functions. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. During this time, you'll see a brief loading indicator showing that the process is underway. Once the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. In the drop-down menu that appears, you should now see Free Download Manager listed among your extensions, indicating that it's been successfully installed and is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added the Free Download Manager extension to Chrome, giving you enhanced download capabilities right in your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.